subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
नागिन फ्रैंचाइज के बारे में कोई कुछ भी कह दे, but we really cannot deny that the show is undoubtedly one of the most popular franchises on Indian television. उसको कितना भी criticism मिले, we really cannot deny it, right? So after having spawned 4 seasons, उसका 5वां season कल finally on air गया, as we all know, and having seen both parts of the finale and of course technically the premiere of Nagin 5, here are what I thought some of the highs and some lows in the first episode. The first high, इतनी cliched dialogues और इतनी over the top acting हो और फिर भी उसको convincingly pull off करना and even make you believe ये करना सिर्फ और सिर्फ अनीता हसनंदानी की capability है. The actor was so good as Vishakha and considering उनका negative shade था and इस तरह के dialogues और इस तरह के mannerisms थे, she still somehow manages to pull it off and that becomes one of the biggest high points of the finale and thus probably or may not ending her stint in the show for now. The second high, the Nagin fans were in an absolute treat because it was the reunion. We had Ada Khan coming back, we had Surbhi Jyoti coming back, we had Anita Hassanandani coming back. तो fans को तो मजे ही मजे थे और इन मजे में we have to applaud जो जिस तरह की एंट्री बेसिक टेक्निकली री एंट्री अदा खान और सुरभि ज्योति को दी गई थी. It was fantastic. Such things you only see for big heroes and big budget films. पर इनको उसी तरह की बड़ी एंट्री दी गई और जो शो के आर्डेंट फैंस है दे मस्ट हैव लव्ड इट एंड सीटियां मारी होगी शायद घर पे बैठे बैठे. द लास्ट हाई, कंसिडरिंग लास्ट सीजन से ऑलरेडी काफी रीयूनियन वाला एंगल हो चुका था तो इस बार मुझे लगा था वापस वो डाल के और क्या नया हो सकता है, बट समहाउ आई हैव टू अपलॉड द मेकर्स मेड सेंस. I mean, of course, you cannot sit back and question the logic every time. It's a supernatural fantasy show. तो उसमें हर बार हम नहीं ढूंढ सकते. लेकिन ये they still somehow managed to make enough sense कि हिना खान को भी एक perfect entry दे दी as Adi Nagin, technically the highest range of Nagins right now, and at the same time made sure कि वापस reunion हो सकता है Nagin 5 के finale में. इस तरह का plot plan करना is an absolute feat. And we have to applaud. So I feel it was a certain high. अब आते हैं लास्ट 2 और अनफॉर्चुनेट लो पॉइंट्स जो मेरे हिसाब से थे. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑब्वियसली सराउंडिंग आई फील निया शर्मा's character of Brinda. One thing which I think both all of us can technically agree कि 4th season was probably the weakest season in the whole franchise so far. ना ज़्यादा characterization था. I mean even the TRP rating spoke for itself. It was probably the lowest rated season. But even apart from that, the show was not really up to the mark. But that did not justify not giving Niya Sharma's character of Brinda any sort of closure or arc. I mean, जिस तरह के characterization बाकी सब नागिन्स को दिए गए हैं, I did not necessarily expect कि उनको powerful end दिया जाता. But Brinda ended up being just a very vulnerable and a sorry person. All she was cared about is कि देव को बचाना है, which was fine. But she was not able to exhibit any power being a Nagin herself. She was not able to have any sort of angle or closure. So considering Nagin 5 का beginning जिस तरह से हुआ है, where Adi Nagin is telling her story to Brinda now, I hope that she gets something to do in the reunion which probably will be planned for season 5. I really hope that because I think Niya Sharma's Brinda certainly deserves a better closure. The last and final low point is basically मेरे हिसाब से the stretching that happened in the last episode and technically the first episode of Nagin 5. I mean, I'm sure and you guys agree as much as I do, the रहस्यमय मंदिर sequence was important. लेकिन after a point of time it just started feeling extremely stretched. I mean, जैसे आपने टीवी पे देखा होगा, the first commercial break also comes after 30-35 minutes. तो एक ही तरह का बैंटर, एक ही तरह का हाई टोन म्यूजिक थोड़ा सा एग्जॉस्टिंग हो जाता है इवन फॉर द आर्डेंट फैंस आई एम श्योर बिकॉज कांस्टेंट कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है. लेकिन हो सिर्फ 3 या 4 लोगों के बीच में रहा है. At the same time, while I know and you know how Tandav is extremely important to the whole dynamic that happens in the show, but Tandav जिस तरह से sequence shot दिया गया है मुझे काफी unintentionally funny लगा जो उस तरह के सेटिंग में बैठ नहीं रहा था. But I'm sure you guys may or may not agree, but it certainly felt a low point to me. So that's it, guys. That's what I felt were the highs and lows of the premiere episode of Nagin 5. Irrespective, आप मेरे से agree करे ना करे, we certainly cannot deny one thing, that Hina Khan certainly fits the part for now, and she must probably have a lot of fireworks coming in as she plays Ari Nagin, which is the Sarvashresh Nagin in Nagin 5. So which point are you looking forward to most in Nagin 5? Do tell us.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.